Hello, welcome back, 4th class students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Did you learn the homework which I have sent in the previous video? Like reading the lesson, learning the spelling, meaning, new words. Yes or no? Yes. Dear students, please open your textbook and take page number 8. All of you take a pencil and put your fingers under the line. Let us learn the exercise. Section A. Fill in the blanks. Do you know what is fill in the blanks? That you have already done in the previous classes. Okay. 1. In the forest there was a dash of mango trees. In the forest there was a dash of mango trees. Cluster of mango trees. What's the spelling of cluster? C-L-U-S-T-E-R. Cluster. Cluster. C-L-U-S-T-E-R. Second, in spring, the branches of the mango trees were covered with dash. Beautiful mango blossom. Beautiful mango blossom. What's the meaning of blossom? Flowers. Spelling of blossom? B-L-O-S-S-O-M. Third one. The flowers fell and in their place dash began to appear. Small mangoes. What is that? Small mangoes began to appear. Fourth, as the mangoes grew big and ripe, they became golden yellow. What is that? Golden yellow. Spelling of golden, G-O-L-D-E-N, golden. Fifth one, people obeyed the tree god because they believed that he protected the forest. What's the spelling of protected? P-R-O-T-E-C-T-E-D. P-R-O-T-E-C-T-E-D. Protected the forest. Last one. Everyone was able to enjoy the dash because the wise animal shared it fairly. Fruits. What's the meaning? Fruits. Fruits. Spelling F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Section B. Correct the sentences. What is that? Correct the sentences. First one. One day a man arrived to pluck the mangoes from the trees. One day a man arrived to pluck the mango from the tree. Yes or no? Yes. Then you have to put the right mark. Put a right. Second, he had come with 2 of his friends. No, he did not come with 2 of his friends. So what is that? That is, you have to put a wrong. Put a cross mark. Third, he had a big sack and a small bag. That is a correct statement. You have to put a right mark. Fourth one, the tree god spoke to the man. That is also correct. The tree god spoke to the man. That is correct. Fifth one, the man listened carefully to the tree god. No, man did not listen carefully to the tree god. That is, you have to put a wrong. Put a cross mark. The mangoes turned into birds and flew away. That is correct. You have to put a right mark. Seventh one, the man did not get any mangoes in the end. That man did not get any mango in the end. That is correct. You have to put a right mark. Section 3. Sum it up. Fill in the blanks to complete this flow chart. Children, what do you mean by flow chart? Meaning step by step we solve a task. Here it is. This is the here it is short summary of the lesson mango birds. Okay. So one by one I'll explain about this small flow chart. Okay. When the mango trees in the forest were full of fruit, what happened? People, animals came to eat the delicious fruits. Next one, the tree god said, eat as much as you like, but leave some for others. Third, the monkeys threw down the half-eaten mangoes, and then the wild rabbits and the deer finished them. You have to see the arrows. It is already in the textbook. Please listen carefully and look at the text properly. That you have to see the arrow. So now, one day a greedy man came. He wanted to pluck the mangoes and fill the bag. It's already understood the story. Next one, he had nearly filled a sack with mangoes when they were tumbling out of the sack and rolling away all by themselves. The last one, the man ran after them. What happened? Man ran after them. The man wanted to get the mangoes, but the mangoes turned to golden yellow birds and flew away. What happened? All these yellow mangoes turned and flew away. That man did not get any mangoes in the end. This is the short summary of the mango birds, which has been explained in the form of flowchart. Now students, section D, the correct answers. Here there are 3 options are there. You have to put the right option, the right mark. I'll read the sentences. The sun grew hotter and the options A, trees were full of birds. B, mangoes began to dry up. C, mangoes grew bigger. Which is the correct option? C, mangoes grew bigger. Second, the monkeys ate half of each mango, and then the options half-eaten mangoes were wasted. B, wild rabbits and the deer ate the rest. C, someone picked it up and ran away. B, the wild rabbits and the deer ate the rest. That is the correct option. Third one, the man did not listen to the tree god, and options A, kept plucking mangoes. B, slept under a tree. C, picked up half-eaten mangoes. Kept plucking mangoes. Section A is correct. Fourth, whenever the man reached out to grab the mangoes, options, the mango jumped back into the sack. He kept stumbling and falling. The mango jumped and rolled further away. Which is the correct option? Can you say? C, the mangoes jumped and rolled further away. That is the correct option. Dear students, do you have 4 lines book? If not, please buy a 4-line book and you have to write one each page every day and show. Then you have to do the homework. I am giving the homework. You have to complete the fill in the blanks and tick the correct answers, flowchart, everything you have to learn. You have to learn the spelling, you have to read the lesson, you have to read the exercise and be active and be good. Dear parents, please make sure that your child is doing the homework properly. Thank you.